Should you be using short form or long form video for your business? This is the question I'm going to answer in this video. So people often get confused these days about whether they should be using short form video or long form video. They see all the trendy stuff going on TikTok and Reels and think, well, that's not really me, or maybe on YouTube Shorts, but there is that nagging doubt in the back of their mind. The honest answer to this is it depends where your audience are in their relationship with you. They may be looking for a quick solution to their problem. So they've typed in what the problem is on Google and it's come up with your content. Awesome. Now at this stage, they're not going to sit through an hour-long video with you telling them the answer to the question. What they want is a very quick answer. So short form video is brilliant for this. You'll be the one giving them the answers they're looking for in a very succinct way. And that will create a great impression of you in that person's mind. Now this stage of the relationship might last a while. We all know that when we're investing in a product or service, we often have multiple questions. We don't ask them all at the same time. We don't always think of them all at the same time. This is why it's really important to keep those short form videos going, answering all of those questions that your audience may have, just one at a time. So when they need the answer to that question, they can get instant access to it. Now a bit further down the line, when they're nearing making a purchase from you, they're likely to want confirmation that they're making the right decision. And this is where long form video comes into its own. You can spend time explaining a product or service in greater detail, maybe even do a demonstration of the product or bring in a testimonial at this stage. You can even take all of those short form videos and put them into one so that they have a complete question and answer video for all their questions, just to reiterate the things they've perhaps already asked, already received an answer to, but refresh it in their mind. So should you be making short form or long form videos for your business? The answer is both. You just need to remember where your audience are in their relationship with you when you're making that video, so you can help them on that process to becoming your customer. Please subscribe to get more information about how to make videos for your business that really work. See you soon.